Castor oil has many health benefits. Apart from being commonly used as a laxative, it is well known for its hair and skin benefits. Thanks to its natural antiviral and antimicrobial properties, castor oil is a popular treatment for skin problems known as dermatosis as well as fungal infections. It's also known to promote hair growth. But did you know that castor oil can be used to reduce the appearance of dark circles? Castor oil, which is derived from the castor bean, contains an abundance of fatty acids that have anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial and moisturizing properties. For example, it contains ricinoleic acid, linoleic acid, stearic acid and oleic acid. Why do you get dark circles and how castor oil helps? Dark circles under the eyes are not a serious health problem, but they can make you look tired, older, or unhealthy. Before you start the treatment, know why you get them at the first place. Although dark circles are often caused by fatigue, stress and lack of sleep, it can also be a result of allergies, allergic rhinitis, hay fever, atopic dermatitis, eczema, contact dermatitis, heredity, pigmentation irregularities, scratching or rubbing eyes as well as sun exposure. Some people may have excessively thin skin under their eyes. Lack of collagen in the under-eye area could make the veins more visible, which show up as dark circles. With age, we tend to lose fat and collagen, and the skin becomes thinner. Thus, aging can also make the reddish-blue blood vessels under your eyes more prominent and appear as dark circles. As they age, some people may develop puffy eyelids or hollows under their eyes, which can cast shadows that could appear as dark circles. Castor oil penetrates the skin better than other vegetable oils. Topical application of the oil helps stimulate the body's production of collagen and elastin, the proteins that form the base of the skin. When the skin gets enough of these proteins, it looks thicker and the visibility of the underlying veins reduces. Eventually, this helps eliminate or reduce the appearance of dark circles under the eyes. According to dermatologists, people with thinning skin under their eyes will likely benefit the most from castor oil. How to use castor oil to get rid of dark circles. You can simply add castor oil to your skincare routine to reduce the appearance dark under eye circles. You can apply it at night before going to bed. After washing your face, pat it dry with a towel. Take 3 to 4 drops of castor oil and using your fingertips gently put on the dark circles. Then massage the area using either your fingertips or a mini jade roller. This will help boost circulation while moisturizing the area. Leave the oil on overnight and wash it off the next morning with a gentle cleanser. You can also mix castor oil with another carrier oil, such as jojoba, almond, or coconut oil, to dilute it.